this class we are going to find out the current in each resistor. So suppose if you want to find out the current in this circuit, we have to convert into simplified circuit. So now I am trying to draw a simplified circuit. This is 25 volts applied to the circuit, and here you can see 6 ohms and 3 ohms are in parallel. So suppose if you take the parallel resistors, so then the total resistance is 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, so that is equals to 8 by 9, so that is simply 2. So 2 ohms resistor it is. So now again what you have to do, you have to see a circuit. Here you are seeing a circuit like this, 4 ohm resistor, and it is also connected with parallel resistors which are 4 ohms. Okay, so now we can write them like this: 4 plus 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, that is equals to 4 plus, so this is, if you convert it, so this will be 2, so that will be 6 ohms. So this you can draw like 6 ohms resistor. Okay, so this is 6 ohm resistor, and if you think about this circuit, so here you can see both are in series circuit. So now we can simply add this, so that means it is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 ohms. Now we can take only 3 currents here. So this is, let us say, total current IT, and this will be IE, and this will be IH. So suppose if I want to find out total current IT, you can see here, so these two, suppose 6 ohms and 6 ohms both are in parallel, so I can convert them into into one resistor, and also 2 ohms is in series. So how I can write 2 plus 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, that is 2 plus 36 by 12. Okay, so 12 3, so finally you will get 5 ohms resistor. So that means you will get total resistance is 5 ohms, and if you want to find out the total current, IT is equals to 25 volts by 5 ohms. Okay, so that is 5 amperes. So this is 5 amperes. So now you found current IT, you have to find out the other currents. So now let us take other currents. So suppose if I want to find out IE, so up to here the current will be same, and in the parallel circuit only the current will divide. So those are two equal resistors, so you can take equal division of current. So that means 5 by 2, so that is equals to 2.5 amperes, that is equals to IH also. So IE is the same as IH, because here two resistors are same resistors. So now we have to find out IF and IG. So you can also find IF and IG. IF and IG both are same. Why? Because here the resistors are same. So that is half of the resistance IE. Okay, so that is equals to 2.5 by 2. So that is, you can write 1.25 amperes. So this is IF and IG. So finally you have to find out IC and ID. So in order to find out IC and ID, so we will write a formula. So now if you want to find out IC, we can see here. So IC is the, we can write over here only. IC if you want to find, so you can take current division rule, that is IT into 6 ohms, the same resistor, by 6 plus 3. So that is equals to 5 into 6 by 9. So that is 30 by 9. So you will get 3 3s are 3 tens. Okay. So 10 by 3. 10 by 3. So suppose if you want to find out ID, the same formula, 3 into IT by 3 plus 6. So this is current division rule. According to this you can calculate the value of IT. So suppose if you write 3 into 5 by 3 plus 6 is 9. So that means 5 by 3. So you can find out ID 5 by 3, IC 10 by 3, IF and IG both are half of the IE. So that means 1.25. IE is equals to 2.5, IT is equals to 5 amperes. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.